This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Serena Fagan Johnson. Watch virtual 3D tour above rare opportunity first floor condo. Updated, maintenance-free, luxury, water, golf course and conservation view condo cradled in the heart of Toscana in Renaissance. Move-in ready, furniture/furnishings/electronics and home convey, coastal colors, fresh paint, sparkling clean and stunning views west/open floor plan and no neighbors in your backyard. Hurricane impact windows, 10 to 12 ceilings west/tray inserts, tall arch doorways, luxury vinyl waterproof flooring throughout the main living area. This handsome condo has a vista of the golf course, pond, conservation area and wildlife just outside your lanai. Kitchen boasts of lovely granite countertops, new Bosch high-end appliances, gas range, 42 tall all-wood cabinets, modern glass tile backsplash and walk-in pantry. Dining area is perfect for intimate gatherings and private dinners. Living area is a vista of golf course and water views with sea breezes wafting through the condo. Owner's suite is spacious with full golf course views, a private entrance onto the lanai and an ensuite bathroom for ultimate privacy. Neutral paint tones and large windows makes this space the ultimate room for relaxing. Walk-in closet with California-style shelving has space for everything. Due to the split plan, the remaining 2 bedrooms are on the other side of the condo for ultimate privacy, along with their own private bathroom. They are spacious, with beautiful acai flooring, large windows for natural Florida sunshine and are ready for guests. Both bathrooms are updated west/high vanities, tall toilets, dual sinks and walk-in shower. The laundry room is generous with matching cabinets, a utility sink and bright lighting. The garage boasts of a beautiful epoxy floor. Condo has been meticulously cared for and loved, nothing has been overlooked for maximum enjoyment. From the eat-in kitchen, living room and dining room, you enjoy the open green space and wildlife. The back screened patio is tiled and enjoys views of the 9th hole tee box. All furniture and fire pit convey with home. Literally a 4-minute walk to the Renaissance Clubhouse, with a huge heated pool and state-of-the-art fitness center, where you can meet up with friends and enjoy a drink or dinner. The building is a luxury 4-plex with 2 condos up and 2 condos down. The upstairs condos have their own private entrances. There is 18 of dead air space between floors to ensure silence/privacy for all. Social membership of the Renaissance Country Club is required, offers fitness center, pool, spa, restaurant and many more amenities. Sun City Center is a 55 and better community offering a state-of-the-art fitness center, an indoor Olympic lap pool, an indoor resistance pool, outdoor pools, softball, pickleball, tennis, arts/crafts, woodworking, lawn bowling, dancing, all told 200+ clubs and activities. Everything here is